Good morning everyone, how are you? This is Amir Khan and yet again back with another vlog. और आज का vlog जो है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा मज़ेदार होने वाला है और बहुत ही एडवेंचरस होने वाला है. So I'm going to take you guys out on an adventure with me. इस वक्त सुबह के 5:08 हुए और मेरे साथ रहे. Stay with me and I'm going to take you on an adventure with me. It's time to get some snacks and our first stop is at Bucky's. Bucky's से चलते हैं और कुछ स्नैक्स लेते हैं क्योंकि 5-6 घंटे मेरे लगेंगे ट्रिप पे. Let's get some snacks. Alright, so where we are, we're gonna go kayak fishing. We got Serge right here. I know it's too early right now. We'll get some good shots. You can probably only see the kayaks. So let's go. I got my gear. There you go. We got some lights on. Kayaks are ready. I'm ready. I know you can't see me right now. Here we are. It's beautiful. Serge मेरे साथ है. Let's go catch some fish. हाँ जी, good morning. जा रहे हैं out ocean की तरफ. ये देख view. So I'm paddling. So we are in Dickinson में start कर रहे हैं. This is the bay. यहाँ पे ships आते हैं to get repaired. Serge मेरे साथ है पीछे पीछे. He's trying to fix me a fishing rod. So it's 6:40 in the morning. A beautiful, beautiful morning. Check it out. Amazing. Look, we're fishing first spot.
It's all year long.
Yeah.
During the winter time when the northerns blow everything out.
Yeah.
I still come out here and I look around and I find reefs that they'll be completely uncovered. Sometimes I just find them by accident.
There you go, Serge just got a first fish. You got a red?
Yeah.
Oh, you got a trout. Speckled trout, is it?
Yep.
Oh, nice. See, there you go. Look at that.
I think
Look
this is
at
full.
that.
Let's go. Got one.
Yep.
This one's a drum.
Serge has got another fish. Let's see it, man. See it on the camera once you get it up. Oh, look at this. Oh, nice. There you go. Beautiful fish. Ooh. There you go. Look. I got fish. There you go. My camera is now around my neck. Much better. Woohoo. Look at the sun rising. All you people that sleeping, you should be out here with Serge kayak fishing. I thought I had fish and then it just came off. Sorry. It's about 7:30 in the morning or 7:45 maybe. So we caught 2 or 3 fish each. Oh, see? They're jumping, they're dancing all over the place. And it's also raining. It's beautiful. Look at this. Barish, fishing. It can't get any better. And rain is... And now we're fishing in the rain. Great. But I don't know where the rain come from. Look at my clothes. Look at my pants. Sir just got another fish right there. He's holding it. It's a redfish. I only caught 2 or 3. Okay, now it's full rain. We're getting wet. I'm having fun. Look at this. Serge is having fun. There you go. Look, Serge. He's got a big one. That's a sheephead, isn't it? Beautiful. Woo-hoo-hoo. There you go. They got fish. Look right here. Even it's small, but it will do. Fish is fish. Look at this. It's a croaker. Let's move the hook. Look at this. Kiss it. All right, I got fish. It's all right. Oh, another fish. Another fish. Oh. Here you go, look, Sir just got another fish. He's got a redfish. Oh, there's a drum. And I got fish too. I think so. Oh no, it's gone. Another fish. Another croaker. Right here. Okay, we're gonna try another spot. Rain, it already rained. We caught about 10 fish. Now we're going to another spot. Look, I got a big one. A dropfish fish. You see this? That was a big fish. Now we try to catch another one. There you go. Got a drumfish. All right, I've been out here over 3 hours now. It's time to head back. We're going that way, passing those ships on the other side of the bay, and then to my truck. And we caught around 10-12 fish, catch and release. We got some. He's tied them to his kayak on the side. You can probably see it down there. So going back to the dock right there under the bridge. We went out 5 miles just paddling, and now we're on our way back.
She had me going last level. I was like, I don't think I'm gonna be able to finish this quick. She's like, I just need 15 more seconds.
So we're done fishing for the day. This was a sweet spot. You can look everywhere. And that's me. And thank you for watching my vlog. We'll do more fishing, more fish. Woo, water is choppy. Look at this.